In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion notifications. By the end, you'll know exactly how Notion alerts you to important activity and how to trigger those alerts so your team stays in the loop. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. If you already have an account, click Login. If you're using the desktop app, you can click Launch Notion to open it directly. Once you're in, navigate to your workspace. If you belong to more than one, make sure you're in the correct one for the project you're working on. From there, open the page you want to manage or collaborate on. Notion sends notifications for a lot of things, and understanding them helps you stay organized. One of the most common is mentioning a person. When you type the @ symbol followed by someone's name, Notion lets you select that person from a list, and it immediately sends them a notification. This is perfect for assigning tasks, asking for a quick review, or drawing attention to updates. Make sure the person has access to the page so they can jump right in from the alert. You can also use the @ symbol to mention a page you follow. Start typing the page name after the @ symbol and select it. Followers or owners of that page will receive a notification, which is helpful when you want to connect related documentation or call out a relevant resource that others are tracking. Comments are another key notification trigger. When you add a comment anywhere inside a block, on a database item, or on a page, Notion sends a notification to the relevant people. If someone replies to a comment thread, that reply also generates a notification, keeping the conversation centralized and easy to follow without extra messages or emails. Beyond mentions and comments, Notion notifies you when changes are made to pages you follow or own. This includes edits, new content, or updates to items inside databases on that page. Following a page is a simple way to stay informed about ongoing work without constantly checking for updates. Finally, reminders are a powerful built-in tool. Type the @ symbol, then the word remind, and add a time or date like tomorrow at 9 a.m. or a specific date. Notion will send you a notification when the reminder is due, which is great for deadlines, reviews, or quick nudges to follow up. That's it. Open Notion, choose your workspace and page, and use mentions, comments, page links, change tracking, and reminders to keep everything on track. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.